at all. And because my father was a great competitor. He was one of the best coaches. And but like what difference between me and my father? I am world champion, and I am not hungry to make my kid become world champion. But I don't know what my son gonna choose. But if you say I wanna be like you, I wanna be world champion. Okay, this is your choice. If you want, I'm just gonna help him, but I'm never gonna push him to become professional athlete.